How to add email in Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Telegram on a device. Then tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on settings. Now tap on privacy and security. Now next to login email, simply tap on the email. Now if you already add an account, simply tap on change email. If you haven't added an account, simply tap on add email. Now enter the email address, then tap on next. Now enter the code from your email, then copy the code and go back to Telegram. Now paste the code here and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.